what is the max number of pull-ups that you can do. What's up guys, I am TK with PRx Performance, giving you more value to your home gym through home gym hacks and other tips and tricks. Let's get right into today's hack. Whether you're somebody who's still really working to get that first pull-up, or you can do 50. Today, we're gonna help you get that first pull-up, or we're gonna make you even stronger on the pull-up bar. Now let me show you how to do it. Using a mobility band is a great way to help you get that first pull-up. I've got my J-cup set nice and low. I'm gonna add my mobility band. I'm going to put my feet on the mobility band, hang from the pull-up bar, and the mobility band is gonna provide the assistance to perform pull-ups. Having the mobility band there really gives you a lot of confidence in helping push you up and over that pull-up bar. Maybe you're somebody that can do really big sets of pull-ups, but you want to slow it down and do less reps and heavier pull-ups to build that strength. So using this technique, you're going to wear the plate kind of like a backpack. So when you do pull-ups, they're heavier. So there's no pretty way to get into this one, but you're essentially wearing the plate like a backpack. So when you hop up on the pull-up bar, you're gonna feel that extra weight. There you have it, guys. If you're trying to get your first pull-up, use a mobility band. If you're trying to get stronger in pull-ups, wear some plates like a backpack. Try it out, let us know what you think, and we'll catch you in the next one. Later.